Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on drawing a section profile along an alignment on a contour map using the ESurveyCAD contour module. With the contour module, you can easily create section profiles directly inside your CAD drawing and also export the section data to Excel for further analysis. The complete process involves 3 simple steps: setting the section parameters, creating the section profile, and exporting the data to Excel. Let us begin with section settings. Go to the ESurveyCAD menu and select Section Settings. In the Settings window, you can configure parameters such as horizontal scale, vertical scale, footer prefix, footer suffix, section data reference caption, projection line selection, datum, and precision values. Once the settings are completed, the next step is to prepare the alignment. You can create an alignment simply by drawing a polyline within the CAD drawing. Please ensure that all elevation values are available in the layer named ELEV. Now, to generate the section profile, select the Draw Section option from the Contour submenu under the ESurveyCAD menu. The software will ask for the interval at which elevation values should be interpolated for section generation. Keep in mind that smaller intervals provide more accurate profiles. Next, the application will ask whether you want to include change points. Select Yes if you want elevations to be interpolated at the end point of every polyline segment. Now select the polyline representing the alignment. The software will automatically interpolate all elevation values along the alignment at the specified interval. These interpolated values will be created on layer 1. If part of the alignment lies outside the contour boundary, the software still interpolates elevation values. However, these values may not be mathematically accurate and therefore are placed separately in layer 2. Next, the application will ask you to specify a location in the drawing where the section profile should be placed. Using all interpolated values and the settings configured earlier, the section profile will be generated automatically. If required, these section levels can also be exported directly to Excel using the Export Section Levels to Excel option available in the ESurveyCAD menu. In the next video, you will learn how to annotate contours in ESurveyCAD. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.